Hi friends, welcome to Yashvikfood, where today we are diving into the comforting world of Poha in my style. So, get ready to indulge in a dish that not only satisfies your hunger but also pampers your skin. Ingredients needed are cooking oil, all the ingredients mentioned here, lemon juice, you can also use fresh lemon, mustard and cumin seeds, turmeric powder, curry leaves. Now let's dive into this cooking procedure together. Take a non-stick pan, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Once oil is heated, toss in mustard and cumin seeds. Listen to the delightful sizzle and then add curry leaves, chana dal and urad dal. Fry until they turn golden. Now add 1 chopped green chilli. This is completely optional. Now it's time to introduce the stars of our dish. Add the onion and let them saute until they turn a lovely shade of pink. Follow this with a touch of turmeric powder, tomatoes and potatoes. And allow them to simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next add in salt, poha, coriander leaves, lemon juice and mix thoroughly until they are well combined. Poha dish isn't just delicious, it's also great for your health. It's packed with carbohydrates and iron plus a good dose of vitamin B, which is fantastic for your skin. I hope you enjoyed recreating this recipe in your kitchen. Don't forget to share your experience in the comment section below. If you like this video, show some love by liking, sharing and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Until next time, happy cooking. Bye guys.